What are you doing? Oh.
Nothing. Nothing.
It should start here in a second.
All right. We got Rat Lord with us.
Oh, Jesus. That looks...
Let's go, Absent. Nice job. Don't
That,
pay attention to the fact that he's stationary. Don't
look
pay
at
attention to the fact that he's just stationary.
look at you watching those ads.
Yeah, you got to do it. You got no choice.
Someone like you doesn't have YouTube Premium.
Why would I pay for that?
It's
I'll take a 5-second ad.
I've had YouTube Premium since they came out with it. I don't know how long ago. It's the best thing ever.
I just, Rat
All right.
Lord in the coffee.
We're live here with Methodical Man.
Rat Lord in the coffee.
I'm gonna attempt to try to use push to talk with Discord. That way, if someone's in my chat saying something that has nothing to do with your chat or your side, then you don't have to listen to it. But I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know if we'll be able to
Oh, what do you
handle
mean,
all
in your
that.
Discord?
No, just in on my chat on this side.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be watching your chat too.
Oh, okay.
Let me adjust my screen. My dog is like fired up over here.
He or she is excited for the Rat Lord to join.
Something like that.
Well, that 8:30 news sure makes it look like we just took out a bunch of highs and then gonna go lower, but I don't know.
I'm not sure. I'm still bullish. I didn't check the 1 hour to see if we inversed it yet, but there we go. We got you on there now. Perfect.
Look at that.
Couldn't get Tom like that, but
Oh yeah, that'd be good because you can see my that's a chart I trade on up there. On the on the cracked out 5-second chart.
All right, that's close enough. I'm not going to be worried with it. It's close enough. You're with the Rat Lord on this one, YouTube Premium is life. Well, I'm poor.
So worth
what
it.
dogs do to rats. You don't think you want to be on the other side of it? Yes, that's right. Dogs and rats don't get along.
Right.
Maybe they do. I don't know.
This rat gets along with dogs. Yeah, I mean, if this wasn't pre-market, I think I would be looking for a short there, but I don't know.
We did hit OTE there. Let's kind of see. I mean, I don't know. We got this big 15-minute gap down below that we've been holding.
Right.
We also tapped into a 1 hour.
And I like when the candles don't overlap right there at 18506 at 833 on that 1 minute chart.
There's also one on the 5 minute, I think. Is it on the 5? No, it's not on the 5. Maybe it was 3. That was my target on that long right there.
Mm-hmm.
There, we already ran through that one. Yeah, that's what I was targeting, that imbalance on the 1 minute. I didn't take it. I wanted to, but I was like, nah, I didn't take it. So I wanted to take it on this candle close here at 92 and target the 06.
Right.
But I didn't take it.
So are you only,
as you do,
like you're only taking inversion fair value gaps? Pretty much.
Depends. Yeah, it depends. I mean, for the most part, I try to just stick to that just because I know what the win rate is. I know where my stop needs to be. I know when to move my stop. So like I do just kind of try to just stick to that, but
Yeah, for sure.
it's not, sometimes I'll see a trade and I'll still take it. So
Right. As we do. It's like yesterday I kind of found myself taking some trades I probably wouldn't have normally taken, but got up, took a little break, it came back and ended green. That's
absolutely took the long off 482 to 506. Nice.
damn.
I don't
How did
mind here. I'm going to wait until the market opens, but to take another trade.
how did uh how did the London session go?
That was good. I was green. So we were 276, I think, or 268 times three. And then, so that was good.
Nice.
Oh, I was going to full send a Bewley at open here. What do you think? Which direction?
Oh. Uh I get you were bullish, so just stick with your gut.
Yeah, that's usually what I do, but 830.
Yeah, aim for those 830 highs.
We'll see here at open. I'll usually wait for markets to kind of get into sync a little bit. I'm going to pull this chart over here because I'll let you guys know once I enter. Anybody doing the opening range break trade today?
Jamie in here. He'll be
Yeah,
doing
sure,
it.
Jamie.
I think he's been green all week, except one day. I think something on like he messed it up, but the play was a green trade that day. Just I think he messed something up. I can't remember what happened, but
And
it
there's
sure
Jamie.
it sure seems like it's a pretty profitable.
Trading for Science thinks it's going to 517. No, I'm not having any data issues. Seems to be fine.
When I logged in, I was my actually as of 2 minutes ago says my Quantower event log says rhythmic tick history loading error. I keep getting that a bunch of times.
The world above. Thank you for your subscription. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man. All right, you got to do the same thing every time someone subscribes, Rat Lord. Okay, let me
Tell them welcome
before
to the
we get too
methodical.
deep into this, I want to get the Rat Lord's stream pinned. Let me pin his link to his channel up in the chat there. So if you're not subscribed to the Rat Lord, then go over there and hit that subscribe button as soon as we get the stuff here. I don't think he actually owns rats, but who knows?
Oh,
Nor does he live in a sewer.
maybe that's why I don't show my
Maybe he
background.
does. So I got his channel pinned up there up top. So if you want to click on that and give him a subscribe and a like.
Yeah, that's appreciated.
Why are you the Rat Lord?
I was just the chosen one. I can't. I don't think that there's a reason for it.
He is the chosen one. To whatever that means. I need $500 to get to a payout on one of my Apex 25Ks. A typical 25K trade is $300. Do I adjust it to try to take it out in one trade? I don't know.
How many? What size What size is that trade that you're talking about?
4 minis, 15
Oh,
ticks.
so you can't add more.
Can't add more, but I can add more ticks.
Damn.
Probably would need what, 20 ticks? Your girlfriend used to call you rat. You called her mouse. Okay, absent. Hey, where is Sugar Bear? Sugar Bear in here? Sugar Bear, or should we say Captain Cock?
Captain Cock.
That's what
What
he's
the?
got to change his name to. I'm trying to at him right now.
What do
I'm
you
gonna
got going
find you,
on
Sugar
over
Bear.
here? What do you have going on over in the stream?
Sugar Bear said yesterday if we hit the 470, he was going to change his name to Captain Cock.
Nice.
X Rand, what's up? So I'm going to keep atting you, Sugar Bear, until I see you in here. I know you're going to be in here eventually. Then he tried to back out. He tried to back out. He was like, no, I don't think I want to do it anymore. I said, you can't just come in here into my stream and say something and think I'm going to forget.
Yeah, you'll probably never hear from him again.
How's the audio from Rat Lord over there? Can you guys hear him okay? Yeah, kind of a bet, Bartholomew. He just kind of said if we hit the 470 yesterday, he would change his name. I deleted the level already, but you can see right here, we blasted through the 470. It took to the last 15 minutes of the day, but we did it. We did it. Got through there.
Oh yeah, that push yesterday afternoon was pretty intense. Just out of
A bit
nowhere.
low. Yeah, you do sound a little bit low to me too, Rat Lord. Can you turn that up a little?
Maybe go in Discord and you can right click my name and turn me up.
Just stick the you're already all the way up. Your volume is all the way up.
Mm.
If not, it's fine. Some people say you sound fine, so it's fine. The rules are the rules. He's got to change his name. Did Apex change the profit target for requesting a payout? No, 7 money bags. This is a 25K account. So on your 25K, you only got to get to $1,600. $1,600. And we're currently need 500 more dollars. I think if my math is right. Wait, is my math right? Yeah, $500 more.
Yeah, we can hit that today.
Man, if I see a decent setup, I'm going to slap it. But
With 4?
yeah, that's what I'm doing on all my fundeds. We hit them with 4, 15
Jesus.
ticks, 4 minis.
I do the opposite. I get to funded, then I scale down. You're over there going full port, right?
Yeah, that's what you got to do. Volume sounds good to F. Sasha, watching 3 Trader stream. Let's go. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only 1,600. So we get to 1,600, we can take the payout, and then you take 1,500 out, right? You can take 1,500 out of the account, and it closes it. So, and we're 450 away from Bewley, so I really want to concentrate on those two today. It's either going to go good or go bad. We could be taking out $2,500 more today, or nothing. So, what's Rad Lord's strategy for Nasdaq? Well, he closes his eye and clicks the button usually.
Yeah.
So
sometimes I click twice and just see what happens.
Yeah, he just clicks it twice. His people over there in his stream are probably like, he's live already? Well, he normally shows up at like 9:29. Oh, let me check on the giveaway. It might have. Let me make sure do I need to extend it here? Yes, I do. I'm going to resume entries on the giveaway here. So you got a few more minutes here. We're going to do it probably 9:25. So if you want to join the giveaway there, explanation point cash, you can only enter once, $20.
Oh, you got that? You got that working?
Yeah.
Did you have to do anything, or it just started working?
No, I got it working. I didn't really have to do anything. Well, I post Mancini in the Discord. I swore, did I not post him again? Did I not post it again? Oh man, I'm just terrible at this like lately. Yeah, I'll
Yo,
do that right
Grim.
now.
Grim, get that money.
What's the trade that was green all week?
Sounds good,
What do you
McLovin.
mean? Green all week. You were green all week? Is that what you're saying? I'm not sure. Where is my Discord? Oh, right there. Is that right, Max? Anybody know what Max said? I have no idea.
He said he's pissed.
He said, I see a squirrel and I cannot chase it.
I'm just going to respond to your chat since I have yours up and everyone on mine is
Yeah.
sleeping still. Trading
Oh,
for
you're-
science. I'm not using any indicators. I'm not sure what indicator you're talking about. There's nothing on the chart.
You might. I don't know if they see my Maxie. Seriously, man, come on.
Oh, possibly. Yeah. Absent trades. I'm not sure what you said.
He
What
got
was?
sprayed. Just ain't right. Explanation point. Cash. There you go. You got it. This is my screen. I just have the VWAP and that's it. And pivot points.
Oh, I can't believe I'm on here with someone using VWAP. We're
Oh yeah, we got to accentuate the VWAP.
not the VWAP.
VWAP is this big yellow line right here is VWAP. Rat Lord loves the VWAP. Should alternate rat to the right. I could. You want me to do that? All right, I'll do it. Let me move my stuff to the left.
I think I saw a couple people ask about the strategy, but so I just trade off fair value gaps, looking for a few point scalps on the 5-second charts after or as we are getting some reaction off of like a 1 minute or a 5-minute fair value gap. So I try to wait for a fair value gap to be like tested on the 5-minute or the 1 minute, and then I'm watching the 5-second to see the same thing happen there. And if it does, then I'll take a scalp, usually anywhere from 2 to 10 points, just depending on how much the market's moving, and just take it and move on. But we're on 8 green days in a row, so we're kind of killing it right now. I'll probably be red now today since I said that, but
All right, is that better? Rat's on the left. No wait, he's on the right.
yeah,
It's a
that
little
looks
odd
good.
looking, but
I think it looks good. Looks like we're tag teaming these charts.
Chow Tang, I like Top Step and I like Trade Day. Both. I mean, I think Top Step's probably better, but you know, we'll see. Yeah, 77 long would have been nice. Yeah.
The bot hasn't blessed me with too much because I haven't been running it or I wasn't running it consistently, and I keep switching up the settings, so I haven't really been consistent with one set of settings.
I turned mine on. I turned my bot on just now. We'll see what it does today. All your challenges are now $50 before funding. Let's go.
I probably need to get you. Yours is probably expiring soon. I probably need to get you the updated version, eh?
I don't know. Is that maybe that's why it didn't work yesterday?
Possibly.
Yeah, it's 9 a.m. trading for science. I'm on the East Coast in Georgia.
Up, Jack Attack. When you start it, like the little messages, it will tell you if it's expired or not.
Yeah, it does say it's expired.
Oh, I'll get you a the updated version won't expire. Like I'll set your account so it won't expire, and then anytime I ever do an update, you can just always go download it. I made it automatic.
All right, guys. If you're interested in the giveaway, $20. We're going to do it here in about 2 minutes. Anybody over there in Rat Lord stream, let's explanation point cash over here in my stream. Like his stream, give him a quick subscribe as well. Do the same for me. I do appreciate it. So we're going to do the giveaway here in about 2 minutes. Right now we have 36 entries, so you got a 1 in 36 chance.
Not too
Rat Lord,
bad.
why are you not in the drawing over here? Come on.
I'm not entering. That's for the fans.
Oh. Tom entered.
Alito's gonna send me the
Alito's
money if he wins. He told me he's giving me most of that.
$20, all for you.
Actually, you know what? You freaking entered mine.
That's what I was thinking. But hey, if you don't wanna only trades, you can enter. It's all good. Now, if Rat Lord wins, you know it's rigged. You go to which prop firm offers PayPal payment. There's a few. There are a few. Yeah, Flexi Trades. I signed up today, Rich. I have a funded account through Flexi Trades. I just passed yesterday. So I got my funded account with them today. So I will trade that. No, wait, that's not Flexi Trades. I will trade that today. 25K funded account. And we'll see how that goes. All right, you got 1 minute. We're going to do the giveaway now in 1 minute because we're 4 minutes from open. Activation 138, I think it was. All right, we got 47 people in there. We're going to end it now, and let's pick a winner.
Nice. Trading for science, I use C#.
So we're going to pick a giveaway here. Winner. Pick winner. Boom.
Let's go.
Mon Daily. Int Mon Daily. Int Mon Daily.
No, run it again.
All right, one more time.
No.
Int Mon Daily. Are you in the chat?
Damn.
All right, you need to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. And what I want you to do is click on your comment there, and it'll pop up giving you the opportunity to delete the comment. Screenshot that so I know it's you. Email me your PayPal or your Cash App, and $20 will be on the way to you. Congratulations. That's my secret lover. Could be Grim. I don't know. It's all rigged.
Just like the markets.
All right, so we're gonna open up here in a few moments. Let's see, what do we got? About 3 minutes. I mean, looking bullish to me, but who knows? It looked that way yesterday, and they pulled the rug at open. So, do they want to do that again or not? That's the question. I mean, honestly, we've ran both buy side and sell side here already. So, we ran sell side first, then buy side. So, it is possible they pull the rug here.
We did create some equal lows on the 1 minute down at 473 ish.
Yeah.
Relatively. Oh, look at that. Making some money with these ads.
Oh, skip. Skip. You're predicting all day trash. I don't know, Andrew. I think it might be okay today. At least the morning. I don't know. I'm not certain. I'm going to move the P&L off here, guys. Just clean it up a little bit. I'll bring it over and show you guys as we make moves. So, yeah, I did get an ad.
I'm going to turn it off for this.
I had to skip it.
That's
no,
annoying.
It's not a big deal.
No, that looks dumb.
Here, I'll play an ad too. How about it?
You just tell me when you play one, and I'll play one too.
Yeah, I don't have the premium. I'm poor. Kept trying to pick the bottom. Yeah, I try not to do that. All right, what time we got? 9:28. So 1 minute. How do we want to play this?
Oh yeah, you're sending, or are you waiting a couple minutes to send that?
Yeah, I'll wait a couple minutes on that one.
Trade that 929.
I don't really use the 929.
I
What I
know.
like to do is I
Do
pick
it
a
today.
little higher. Huh?
I said I know. Do it today.
What if it loses?
Well, that's a risk we all have to take.
No, you're taking that risk too.
No, I'm waiting, like a good boy.
You just heard him say he's taking it. I don't even have a garage to have a Lambo.
Alito's gonna take it. What, 10 minis?
Is he?
I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed in Alito. He's gonna be in your chat and not in mine. I thought he was my boy, but I guess
duck
not.
dong. Yeah, guys, pull up both streams. I don't know if I said that, but I want you to pull up both streams.
It's really okay.
Oh my goodness. Trying to think about where to put this.
Alito, how dare you? Oh, that's true. I don't have you on my stream, so it makes sense. Oh my gosh, look at those data latencies.
Did I have some too?
I had a bunch of
right. Looks like they're just pulling the rug there. I was going to jump in there, but I was only comfortable with the long, so I didn't do it. I wasn't comfortable with the short because we were right there at the VWAP, and we got a pivot at 85. So I didn't love the short.
Right.
So what I'm going to kind of do is wait for the ES and the nasty to get into sync here. Once they get into sync, we'll look for a direction. Long duck dong, says Mr. Crooner. Where is top 5? I haven't seen top 5 in a while. So weird, it looks like I'm talking to myself. He could put me on there if he just did a little adjustment. But then he probably wouldn't be able to see his charts on mine, I would imagine.
I've got
look at her go, look at her go. So that's what we talked about. We kind of ran the buy side. We ran sell side first, and then we ran buy side. So the most logical spot for it to go is down here. We kind of talked about that
Look
earlier.
at that.
Maybe a resweep of these lows.
We went right to those equal lows.
So
you got to give me some credit.
Nice job. Yeah, we'll give you some credit right there. Went to the 75s.
I just want another $20 giveaway for that.
Yeah, we're going to do some more. I'm going to give away $100 today. 5 total giveaways. We already done 2. So it ran that sell side liquidity there. So now let's see kind of what we get. What's that, Max? Do we continue lower or do we pop from here? What do you guys think?
Nice, Jamie. Jamie got the orb.
Yoma, somebody won. Yoma, I don't remember who won. I already forgot. So
what's up, Hunter Lot?
We're kind of waiting, Frank, to see maybe we inverse this. I don't know, is it my internet or is it his? There we go.
I think mine's fine.
He's back. So if this inverses, Frank, we will hit it.
I would 100% buy down here. What do you think?
I mean, I'm not buying down here because we could go lower, but I think if we inverse, if we close above this box, then I will. I'll take it.
Well, I look for like, there's my 5 points. I just got 5 points out of that.
Did you take it?
Yeah,
Nice.
that's all I wanted.
And the 30-second actually looks pretty clean too.
Yeah, I'm just looking for these little fair value gaps to form. We took out lows or lower lows and then create a little 5-second fair value gap. So that meets everything. Take it, get me $100 and move on to the next trade. I'm really trying to be accepting of that because, like, I tell everyone, if someone just walked in and just handed me $100, am I going to be upset about that? No.
Nice int money. Int Mon daily. I'll check that out in just a minute. As soon as the market calms down a little bit, we get you your money sent to you. So if we close above here, I will take that. We'll just see what happens. ES is holding up there at the VWAP for now.
Damn, Jamie. Jamie's killing it with that orb play.
Yeah, I didn't take it. He thinks top 5 is absent trades.
So right now, like, we're up in a one of these 1 minute sell side fair value gaps. So I would just look for any shorts on the 5-second.
To me, I'm looking for, if we close above that 481, then I'm going to long duck dong. But we'll see. We're holding up in a 15-minute. I think there's a 1 hour here as well.
1 hour. Oh, that the bullish one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah,
We'll
I
kind of
kind of
see
like
what
that
happens.
because that's like right there. We displaced down, traded a little, then displaced up. Or that was yesterday's day, right? Yeah. I see what you're putting down. I'll pick it up.
Oh, I just entered on the wrong account. All
Delta.
right. Did we close above there? I mean, really barely by a tick, right?
The club, and I've taken one trade, 5 points.
All 76.
But did I mess up that I mess up that phrase? I'm picking up what
What'd
you're
you
putting
say?
down. Is that what you're supposed to say? I don't know.
Yeah. Sounds
Close
right
enough.
to me.
100 lot. I
You're
still
picking up
need.
what I'm laying down.
I need like 6. I think I
I'm
need
long
6
duck dong
something.
here. We hit our first TP at 90, and we will go break even and see if we can't get the 511s. Close back up below, and then we just be wrecked, and we'll take it off. Kind of took a long in this area earlier, and it didn't work out, if I remember correctly. Or it did work, and I took it off too early. That's what it was.
I'm just doing
kind of wedged between the pivot and the VWAP.
100 lot. I'm just I was just trying to pass one on the with manual trading, but I like, I want to pass a few 50Ks and then go back and pass a few more 25Ks and just have, like, I don't know, maybe 10 and 10.
Wow, that thing was like 2 ticks away from my TP there.
I didn't even see you were in a trade. I need to pay attention.
There we go. Break even.
Nice.
I'm also long duck dong on the Bulenox, guys.
Delta, we are like joint streaming with Methodical Man, so it might be easier if you watch on his stream because he has me on his and I don't have him on mine except for his voice.
There's the Bewley. So it's got to run through the 04s there to get us on the Bewley.
Damn, look at you.
Come on, get through the 04s, you dirty girl. That's what 7 Connies too. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Can she go? Can she go? Does Rat Lord Trades do automated? Yeah, he does. Did I say joint? Hold this. I'm holding it. Absent. I'm holding it. Give me the 04s. Give me the 04s at least here.
Why did I only take 5 points out of this long from 18466?
I don't even know how many I took on the first entry. Not that many, like 7.5 or 8. And then I'm trying to this might pop us here because we're so close to the TP. So really got to hold up here and go. Got to kind of hold the 90. Got to hold the VWAP. If we lose that, we'll be in trouble. He was getting a mini heart attack of execute. Oh, yeah, Greg. That's what happens. Yeah, it's unrealized. There's not much I can do about it, Alito. I mean, if it hits me, it hits me. Not much I can do. I'm full porting. So when you're full porting, this is what you do.
Yeah, you just deal with it.
It's all or nothing.
We came back to like a little 1 minute fair value gap.
Yeah, holding up. Should run right through there now. I think this should run through there. We should get to the 10 or 12s here on this push back up.
Going back. Oh, damn.
Did you see that wick? 1 tick away from taking out my TP.
I almost jumped in along there, but I didn't.
There we go. So we passed the Bewley. And we're looking for 1175 on the other here, which is going to be about a 30-point trade. I probably should go ahead and lock some in, but I think we hit.
Just lock some.
Lock some?
Yeah.
Dude, we got the 1175 looking up there all juicy.
We're just if we break out of this little
we'll lock in right there at the 01s.
You think we're going for those 830 highs?
Maybe.
No, I need a yes or a no.
I have no idea.
Nice, what's up?
I think we hit 1175, but how we hit it, I don't really know. So, actually, I'm moving this back.
Knives so were also.
My OBS disconnected, but it's back up now. So,
yeah, your stream.
My internet's been kind of jumping around today. Oh, I forgot we do have 9:45 news, don't we?
Oh, I didn't even look at the news. I thought that was your job.
Yeah, I forgot all about that. If it doesn't run through here right here, I might just take it off.
Knives were also streaming with Methodical Man.
Rip it. Man, I'm trying to diamond hand this, but it's making it hard for me. I think if it rips through 1175 here, this thing probably runs fast. All right, I'm going to take it there for 20 points. We're going to take it off. Just, I think news is in 4 minutes. I think we have 9:45 news today.
That's when we're gonna.
It might be less than that now.
That's when we're gonna run up to those 830 highs.
Yeah, I think it hits too absent, but I wanted to take it. Delta. I know what you mean. Pump, pump or dump. We need it to pump. Raphael says close. Yeah, we do. We do have news at 9:45. I just realized that, and it's 3-star. 1 minute Chicago PMI. So, well, I think it hits my TP. I don't want to be holding it into news. Number one. So, I forgot all about that news, but that was such a clean setup. I had to take it. I kind of feel bad that I tried to take that for my $500, and unfortunately, I hit the wrong account.
How many points did you get on that?
That was what, 20 points?
Nice.
There's the Bulenox, $3,080, passing that in one trade.
Nice.
And that's not a send in one direction and a send in another, guys. That is a one-time trade. You can see I only got 2 evals, and they're both passed.
That was a legit trade.
That's right, legitimate trade there. And then our My Funded Futures, we got back to profit after being down $500 on that move right there. So there you go. Back to green, back to green. But yeah, let me put my trade executions on the screen here so you guys can see. Visual trading, trades on. So I don't know. I that was about, so we entered at 82 and we exited at 502. So that was 20 points. I was going for 30, but you know, we scaled one at like 8 or 9, 8 points. So you needed 50 to long. Man, Alito's so close. Did we get? No, we didn't quite get there. No, we didn't get there. Yeah, I got to lock it down with the Chicago PMI. I mean, there it is right there. Boom, it just run through there, but I just didn't want to hold through that news. I thought I took that on my PA account and I hit the wrong. I was on the Bulenox, so I mean, I just let it go. Would have got the 15 ticks that I needed like right away, but that's all right. Yeah, we also have 10 a.m. news as well.
I think this is running for those 830 highs. ES is
Yeah, I mean, it probably does. I mean, it makes a lot of sense, right? Even if we scroll out further to the left there, probably goes higher than that.
I'll FOMO and buy here at the top.
Don't do it.
I already did.
Right there, 5. Oh, actually, that wick earlier took that. You already did?
Yeah, and we turned around immediately.
He bought the candle doesn't even go that way. It did wick that high. I was going to say the candle doesn't even go that high.
ES is taking out that high. Come on. I just need NASDAQ to get up there too.
This is bad. What are you doing over there?
We're fine. We're fine. We're going to be fine. Everything's okay. Everything's okay.
That's okay. I just wanted to see watch your entry. We could come back to 06 though and feel that imbalance.
I need ES to keep running, but I don't know if she's gonna.
What are the payout rules for Flexi? You cannot. So Maverick, you have to leave the buffer in. From what I read, I could have read that wrong, but from what I saw, your minimum payout is $500, and you have to leave the buffer in. So that's from what I read. I could be wrong though. Hold and don't panic. I'm not panicking, Absent. I just took the profits.
I'm freaking out. Why can't we get back up above 520? Why is that so difficult? Yeah.
Well, we do have an SMT with the ES right here. We do have an imbalance at the 06.
Come on, Nasdaq. Don't do this to me.
Well, you want to see this gap hold, right? That's what you want to see. So that's a good reaction from that gap.
Oh, ES is still going.
So
come on.
Back above this wick. If we don't push strong above this wick, I'd kill it.
Here we go.
But
here we go.
I think we push strong above that wick there.
Keep going.
You can target that 27 area.
I'm just taking that. I ended up getting into 2 contracts there, so.
Yeah, it's at the high of the range. It is.
We'll take that.
Yeah. He was He was over there squeezing his butt cheeks together there for a minute.
So that's what we do on this stream.
Can you guys not hear me over there, White Mild? I don't know. He said, "Did we lose?"
Oh,
Did we lose?
no, earlier when your OBS like shut down.
Yeah, it did shut down for a minute. Kind of. It did that twice today already. So, all right, now look what I'm watching here. We inverse this 1 minute, and we're going to slap it back to the downside. Actually,
yeah,
we still have that S&T.
Yeah, we do.
I don't know because we're so close to the buy side, though. I don't know if I want to take it.
If ES starts turning around, then Nasdaq's going to come down hard, I think.
Just so close to buy side here. We do have news in a few minutes too, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it.
I'm up 333 on this eval. We need
How much do we need to pass that?
400.
Nice.
400 more, which I started this week by telling everyone I was just looking to average a little over 100 a day, and I've been averaging over that, so we are way ahead schedule. I don't need to rush to get this. I'm just trying to take it easy
guys,
on it.
If you haven't already, let me talk over you, but if you haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Again, got the link to Rat Lord's YouTube up there in the chat. If you guys don't have his pulled up, please, if you're on something other than a mobile device, please pull up both streams. If you're on a mobile device, I understand that you can't, but please pull up both streams there. That way the algorithm kind of, gets us both going there. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed. Again, my goal for the day, I want to get to 2750 subscribers. That's 95 more, man.
Damn.
I don't know if we can do it. Can you guys do that? Can you guys do that? I don't know. If you have a Fold 5, you can pull up both streams. I don't know what a Fold 5 is. You got me. Rat Lord knows what that is probably because I think he's an Android guy.
Samsung folding phone.
Yeah. You're flexing. Bad with spending money. Let's go. Nice job, Absence. NASCAP got up 482. Nice. There she blows. There she blows. Let me pull up the 15. I kind of want to mark some targets out. Well, actually, I already got them marked out.
What's up, David?
Probably. Should mark some targets out to the downside.
While we wait, I'm going to wait until after this news to take a trade, so I'm going to go grab some more coffee. Are you going to be okay without me?
Anybody else want coffee? Yeah.
You're going to be all right?
Yeah, I think I'll be okay. I think I got it. Be fine.
All right. Be right back.
Please review the trade you just took in regards to being A+. It did not have a singular fair value gap down the leg. It did deliver from a fair value gap, Frank, because we're in a 15-minute here. This entire range that you see down here is a 1 hour and a 15-minute. So it delivered. We swept liquidity, right? So you just look to the left. Did we sweep liquidity? We swept this, and we swept this. And this 1 minute did have 2 in the leg, right? But the important thing to note here is the distance between the two gaps, right? 10 points. So like when they're spread out like that, I'm okay with there being 2. And with the momentum that we had through here, I liked it. So yeah, this is an A setup. And we closed above. I scaled 1 at 10, which also coincides with what? That next gap in the leg. So that's why I picked right here to scale 1. And that also was my break-even stop. So it was the most logical spot. And then I just tried to take the low-hanging fruit, which would be, this swing up here at 12. So that's the reason I took that trade. Full take profit hit. Let's go. Nice job. Nice job, Absent. He just missed the 15. Yeah. I plotted that one this morning, Frank. I don't remember when, but I did plot that one way earlier. And even you didn't even need this gap though. We swept liquidity. This is still an A setup, even without the gap. But I mean, you could say it's a B, but whatever. Close enough, right? Close enough. Close enough. Let's check Mancini's tweet because I didn't check it after the morning time. We do have news here in about 6 minutes, so probably want to wait. 53.11 first target hit in ES as we continue the breakout that was waited on all day yesterday. Plan yesterday was going long as 74 held. Breakout to 5,300. Hold risk-free runners. Basing out again. 53.16, 53.20 targets as long as above 52.99. So 53.16 is going to be your next target up in the ES. And 99 is going to be your support, which we already knew that. And then dip to 52, 88 of 98. Yep, 88. All right.
All right, we're back.
So 16, 20 plus. All right, we got the levels marked out. Did Apex extend? It did. Mainly trade. Still got the 80% off in the one-day pass. It ends, I think, on Tuesday. So you'll still have an opportunity to do it on Monday if you want.
So I'm triple what my daily goal was this week today. So I'm just gonna. I want to keep trading because I've only taken 2 trades, and just to
Flip it over to micros.
that's what I was getting at. Flipping over to
Oh.
going to micros, 2 micros. That's what we did the other day, and I still ended up adding another $100 even with that. So
Yeah.
this way, most damage I could do is like minus, I don't know, $7,500, and I'll still be over my goal.
30 is officially ran. Oh, I'm telling everybody else to like your stream. I didn't even like it yet. All right, there we go. Hit the like.
Unbelievable.
I hit the like.
We don't have no more.
I mean, you could take a short here if we kind of inverse that, but I don't know.
We're still pretty close to news.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yeah. 3 minutes. And then let's check the rest of the day. How's the rest of the day look on news?
Where's your camera at? It looks like I'm streaming on your.
Oh, my camera's been doing funky stuff today. It keeps blinking off. I don't know why. Like, it's never done that before. Or for whatever reason today, it just keeps blinking on and off. Keeps freezing. I'm back.
Knives, good morning again. David, I taught myself, like, I learned to code like by myself like 6 or 7-ish years ago, and then I ended up getting a job in that field. So I've been a professional programmer, I guess, for the last 5-6 years.
Let's see.
Frank was asking about the bot. Was your bot turned on? Can you explain how to use it? Yeah, I mean, you just a newbie can use it because there's just settings you plug in, but I just tell people what I use it, how I use it, and Methodical Main uses it a different way. He uses his own settings, and you just turn it on each day.
Key Amber in the house. Let's go.
However, it's worth noting that bot is it's more of a long-term thing. Like, you might take a loss and you might not get a win for like a week or so, there's been weeks where it's only taken one trade during the whole entire week, and it might be a losing trade, and you just got to deal with it.
Yeah, that's the thing. The one that I'm using, I just know this strategy works long term, so
Exactly.
just have to wait for it. Now, if we didn't have news here, I would take this short.
Mm. Yeah. Now that we're coming back down beneath that high, ES, same thing.
Yeah, ES is about to inverse as well. We do have that imbalance there that it just came back and filled in there at the 15s.
It's up one stop.
Morning one stop. Morning.
We got so much going on with your chat, people popping up in my chat.
You need ES to hit 53.20 to make your day. I think you'll be okay, but it might put you through some stuff, Black Beauty. What's up, Muhammad? Once again, we got news, guys. If you're in a trade, you got news in less than a minute here, 30 seconds. So just be careful. It's not 3-star news, but yeah, it could do something. Killed that short for some profit. Let's go. In the news. If it wasn't if there was no news here, I'd be short right now. And my scale and my break even stop would be at this wick right here at 507.
Knives said, welcome to fame. Looks like I've made it. I've made it on Miss Channel, so I don't know. Methodical Man had celebrity appearances with my name, so maybe he is the one being welcomed to the fame.
Exactly. See, that's what I put on there. Celebrity appearances by the Rat Lord,
Right.
Husk Trader, Tom Sabo, Nutty Bar Trading. Let's go.
Oh, nice one stop. One stop trader said he used to, or he's been watching you as well. He's been on
Clarity. That sucks. Could we work out a bot that uses the IFEG trading? I don't know. It'd be tough, Frank, because it's one of those things where while it is very mechanical, there is also discretion.
right.
The location of the gap, did we run liquidity? That stuff I think is kind of hard to code. It's probably possible, but that would be cool if you could, though. I wouldn't even have to trade, right? I'd just turn it on and just have a nice day.
So wait a second. Did this not place the trades? Something's
Is my
been
volume
weird.
low? You have it set on 95 and it still seems to be very low. It could be mine. I don't know. Some people say it's low, Pool Man. I'll try to stick the mic in my mouth. Maybe that'll help. I do the best I can. Only Trades wants to know what's your favorite language to code in. That he trades in Web3. He's a Web3 contract auditor.
I use the one I'm most proficient in is C#. C hashtag.
Oh, I'm just kidding. Volume's fine. I scared you. All right. I don't know. Some people say it's low. Some people say it's not. I'm not sure. I mean, like it's just one of those things. It could be a little low there.
Why? Why?
Could
Why?
be.
Hmm.
What are you thinking?
There was a setup, a 5 minute, and that the bot placed orders, but then in the logs it showed like I keep getting orders rejected, and I don't know why.
It's weird. Always loud and clear. All right, good. Delta said, check your hearing aid battery. I don't know. Now I hear a couple of people say that. I do keep an eye on my audio, and I did turn the gain up a little bit this morning. I put the mic a little closer to my mouth, so I try to keep it out of the red zone on you know on OBS. So I try to keep it in the yellow, green to yellow, but we'll see.
Problem, Alito, is I don't always notice it. Damn it. This is a winning.
So the
This looks
bot
like
would have took the long there.
that 5-minute fair value gap at 9:45. It perfectly broke through a swing at 9:15.
Oh,
See that on the 5?
yeah. Also
The,
about to put in a 5-minute OB here, possibly.
the way I have mine running is I take a 5-minute fair value gaps that where the swing is within the gap.
Yeah,
So
so that swing was broken.
That 9:15 swing was perfectly broken by the 9:45 fair value gap, and we came
It's
back
okay,
into
man.
it.
I mean, you'd only be up like 20 points.
And it would be targeting freaking. I'd be targeting. Let me see. Well, what's 15 times 1.5? That's what I would be targeting, and it probably would have hit by now.
15 times 1.5, 42.5. No, wait. 30. No, wait. 22?
Oh, it's not even
5.
that much, but yeah, I would have. Oh my god, this doesn't
22.5.
even. That's frustrating because these setups don't form that often. So like, I really need it to not miss them, which was the whole
Quick
point of.
maths. Yeah. No, I get it. Quick math is not my thing.
I'll have to check Jack.
No, Ratlord's not trading IFVGs. He's trading
Regular.
FUVGs.
What's that stand
I
for?
don't know. FUC. Oh, no, I was kidding. No, he's trading like off the 5-second chart, scalping.
Yeah, it looks
So
good.
he's
100.
basically, I guess he's kind of having a confluence between the 1 and 5, and then
Yeah.
he's looking for a fair value gap to be accepted on the 5-second.
Mm-hmm.
And he
then
takes
just
a scalp off that.
small scalp.
Smurf said those are his favorite kind. The FUVGs. So, okay, we're getting a possible short setup here. I don't know. I mean, it seems okay. This gap's not that noticeable, I guess. It's not bad. It's 5 handles. Mm.
I wonder if it's
I
because
might take it on an eval. What do you say?
I think I had the in Quan Tower you can select the front month instead of like the actual June contract. I think I had the front month selected on the bots, and then when you go to submit in order to Rhythmic, if you submit the front month one, like it doesn't go through or something. I don't know. I think I've ran into that before. Damn it.
Yeah. Rat trades the 5-second chart clarity yet.
Yeah, 5-second.
Nice job, absence. His chart looks like a strobe light.
It seems crazy, but now I'm like so used to it. Whoa, what the hell? I don't know. Something's going on.
Do I take an aggressive entry here?
Yes.
Before the candle closes. You think so?
Oh, of course.
Oh. 5-second breakers, nothing's out of bounds. Yeah, there's probably a lot of breakers on the 5-second. That's kind of what I was doing with the 15 seconds, pretty much like trading a breaker. All right, I'm going to take lighter size here. I'm just going to go 1 contract.
Oh, come on.
Break even will be the swing there.
You
So we
shorted?
get below the swing. So, yeah, I'm short. If we get below this swing, I'll be break even because we either should run there or we're going to return back up. So once we get to that swing, we'll break even, stop it.
Nice, John. You have a good one. One
All right,
stop
so
said, "This is why
hit
bots
that.
are good and bad." Yeah, I agree.
All right, so actually, that might be a mental mistake there. We actually did not break that swing. There, now we broke it. That's the reaction I wanted to see, and I was just going to target this wick here. That's a mental mistake there. We did not break it. It just double bottomed there at it, and I moved my stop. I should have put my line there so I could actually. That's why I put the lines there in case you guys wonder, so I can clearly see it. Oh, this time we're shorting together. Well, too far. Unfortunately, I moved my stop because I thought we hit the swing, but we actually just double bottomed there. So, and I was just kind of targeting this swing here, just kind of low hanging fruit. That's probably at about equilibrium too, if I had to guess. Just kind of eyeballing it. Yeah.
We lost you again, Myth.
Oh, did you?
Welcome to the Methodical Man
Well,
Show.
it didn't
I'm
hiccup on my side, but I don't know.
My name's Methodical. I'm trading two different charts, two different chats.
Mr. Gamer short from 18,531. Nice. Oh, well, that's okay. We gave it the old college try there. A little mental mistake. It was a Giga Chat idea. I don't know what that is. DGen Drew. Oh. Yeah, I would target that swing there. I think that's reasonable. You could probably target this one down here, 486. But that would have been another 17-point winner if I didn't move the stop too quickly there. Nah, I don't know who Giga Chad is. I have no idea.
It's a meme for the kids. We're too old for that.
There we go. Now my target would be hit. Kind of like I said, 86 seems reasonable. You could target the lows, but I don't know if we get those. 87, whatever. Why didn't you enter that with me, Rat Lord? What happened?
I was busy trying to figure out what's going on with these orders over here. I don't know if it's user
I don't
error
know what a Giga
or
Chat. I have no idea what a Giga Chat. What is a Giga Chat? Do I need to Google that? Do we need to Google that?
all I know
Do you know
is
what
it.
that is?
I just think that is absent trades. It's like, isn't it that dude in the that black and white, and he has like a chiseled jaw, and he like looks fake.
Yeah, that's what it is. I don't know. I've never seen this before. I've never seen it before.
I see it on Reddit.
I'm not on Reddit. This fella. Oh, we just made our screen just go blank.
What are you doing over there?
That happens sometimes when I move a chart or I move something. I don't know why. Excuse me.
ES is still having a issue getting through its 5-minute BISI at 940, but Nasdaq don't care.
It's definitely not me only trades. It's not me. Let's see. Need to find a setup to take on my PAs. I haven't taken one yet. Looks like it wants to move a little lower here. Like I said, I think 86 is a pretty good target. And then beyond that, maybe we start back up. You're mewing? I don't know what a mew is. Mew? All right, there's that target. We just set out on that one, didn't do anything. That's what happens. Hey, we're getting kind of a skinny M here. Look,
Hmm.
it's the skinny M pattern.
That's the myth pattern.
Yes, it's the methodical pattern.
Man, we're bleeding.
Bleeding lower. Target for you is 73s. I mean, 73s would be kind of like a retest of this inversion as well from earlier. It'd be a nice higher low. That'd be a nice higher low.
Think a long is good down here.
Could be. Oh yeah, I forgot about the flexi trade. I just saw 100 Lot mention that. I need to. I don't even know if I have a flexi trade chart open. Should probably open one.
I'm gonna try a stab
Let's open a
long.
flexi trade.
I just want a few points, like I said, like as usual.
Rat Lord's long duck dong. You got to yell that when you go long.
Oh, sorry.
Got to say long duck dong.
Long duck dong.
It increases your win rate by at least 5%.
Oh yeah, it's coming back up now. Look at that.
See? It says I have no data.
Mm.
So let me disconnect and reconnect that one.
Want to see if we can at least get back to 500. But we're getting a little bit of resistance here at my entry.
ES bounced off your friend the VWAP.
Oh.
Just figured I'd let you know that.
Well, can we bounce a little harder?
Yes, we don't need you to bounce a little harder. Appreciate you. Well, this is
Here we
moving
go.
quite slow to refresh.
Here we go.
See, all you got to do is ask nicely. Ask nicely, and boom, it's there.
Alito's long too. 50 ticks. Alito, how many is that in points? I need 12, 12 and a half.
That's like that's more than that.
40's
40
10,
is 10, so
right? 12.5. What do you 12? Okay, so you're aiming for 500 too. I should get out of this since Alito's long in as well.
Alito's your indicator.
Yeah, just
That's
always getting
messed up.
screwed out of trades. Oh damn, this is
Hit the buy at 93s. Hold on, I got to put the VWAP on here. Just for Rat Lord.
I gotta get out of that. Took like a $50 loss, but that's all right. Now it's gonna come back up. So you're welcome, anyone who's long.
Dude, you took a loss there? What happened?
Yeah, I mean I gotta kill it if we go break a swing. We broke the swing from 1013. I'm looking at the 5-second chart, so
we're gonna add an EMA here too. Why not?
how many indicators can you add? Let's add all of them.
Yeah, I have no idea. We're gonna add the 200. Good morning, Darren. Good morning. You never could get VWAP plays for you. Yeah. I mean, like, it's not, I don't take plays off of it. It's just, I like to know where it is. Kind of like the 200. I don't really take plays off of it, but you get a reaction.
Still like this long, but hate getting back into the same move.
Yeah, I feel the same way. That's to me, like, I like to look for a manipulation leg. So, like, you kind of got one here. You got this low, push back up, another low. So, what I want to see is another higher low put in, and then I trust it a little more.
Right.
So, I like to just break this high, put in a higher low, and then and ideally, it'd be nice to have, some sort of a inversion there for me, but maybe not. Yeah, I'm okay with the open so far. I think that the price action so far today has been way cleaner than
Mm-hmm.
yesterday, the day before. Now, the first 30 or 40 minutes yesterday, I think were good too, but then after that, it's just turned into chop. So let's hope that's not the case today.
We'll try along here again in a worse worse entry than we were on the last trade.
VWAP at 499. Just so you know, 200s there too. Took the buy at 88s. Yeah, I mean, it could. I think it's fine. I think that we might get a manipulation leg here where we sweep the high and then we put in a higher low and then we go. So we'll see what happens, right? Who knows?
All I'm looking for is 500. Why is it so hard to get to 500?
I think 500 is reasonable. It's right there where the VWAP is and the 200 moving average as well.
That's what I thought earlier.
Little volume gap up there. What, 505s, Smurf? Is that what you're talking? Whole number drama. Yeah, like
Stupid.
it always makes sense to have that 90. I used to not take trades between the 90 and the 05. So like between like 490 and 505, I wouldn't take a trade. So, but I don't so much do that anymore. So this is kind of what I was thinking. We put in a new high. Let's put in a higher low. And and then I think it would be okay to kind of participate long. Because it's kind of it's kind of like a manipulation leg there. We put in a low, put in another low to just kind of manipulate buyers and sellers, and then maybe we go after that. So we'll see. Did I say that I'm on Flexi? Yes. This is the trade here. I don't know if I can tell commissions. How can I tell commissions at
Mm,
all on Quantower? Do you know
I
at
don't
all,
think
Rat? I don't
I don't
know.
think it shows it. You got to go to Rhythmic,
I have
right?
to go to Rhythmic and see. All right, we can do that.
I think you have to set the
We'll check it out.
commissions.
Do I in
I,
Rhythmic?
no, in Quantower, but I'm not.
Hmm.
I'm just making complete assumptions here.
Ah. All right, let's see if this holds here. I'd like to see this not make a new low,
Mm,
but it may not. It may
this
not
is
oblige.
this is a tough spot.
Now we would, if we did make a new low and we left a fair value gap here, then I wouldn't mind it so much because we could use that for our inversion entry. Because we would still sweep liquidity. We're probably delivering from like a 3 minute or a 5 minute gap here. Let me see. Here's a 3 minute gap that we're in right now. So yeah, we're holding a 3 minute gap here. So let's see if it leaves this open or not. And it looks like it's going to close it. I mean, we could go to our old dirty friend, the 30-second chart.
Like it.
Well, this thing's taking forever to load. Oh my goodness. And we don't know what's happening. So, I mean, the 1 minute gap is basically just non-existent. 3 handles. This thing's just taking forever to load. Come on. I mean, I missed the opportunity before it loads back up. Yeah, I mean the 3 minutes, the 30 seconds, not very big gap either.
Mm.
Yeah, Steve, there is a 1 minute gap. It's very small. So if I take it, I'll probably just take it off the 30-second here. Let's see.
What are we doing here? This is frustrating.
Oh, I didn't even notice Rat was in a long again.
Still trying. I'm taking like three losses in this whole little area. We made lower lows and then displaced up on the 5-second, and that meets my requirements. So I just take it when I see it.
I think you're okay here. You already took the stop loss again, 82s. Oh, 73 to fully drop. Yeah. On tower 138 shows commissions. Oh, I set it in Ninja.
Mm.
Yes, holding that. It's just glued to the VWAP right now.
The what?
The VWAP. Ask and ye shall receive. You want to know what it is? I gotta tell you.
Oh, here we go. Nope, maybe not.
All right, I'm about to join you.
I'm just about to get out. I'm just gonna take that. That's
He's getting out. I'll be getting in.
I'll tag you in. You tag me out. Good luck.
I don't know. I don't have the timer on this chart. I don't like that. I like to know how much time I have for the candle to close. Did I turn it? I think I might have turned it black or something, so I can't even see it now. I'll have to adjust that in a minute. I didn't notice that until just now.
Where is that in the settings? I don't remember.
What?
The countdown. I have mine on, but I don't remember turning it on.
I don't remember either. It's in there somewhere.
Alito
All
knows.
right, this is the first trade on the flexi trade here.
Oh, this is a big moment. This sets the whole tone.
First trade. Yeah.
Are you copying it on all the or how many accounts you have?
No. I just have one flexi trade.
Oh, gotcha. Thought you bought the 20.
No. I'm not going to buy 20 until I know that it's legitimate and they pay out.
Right.
So now that we created a swing here, once we get back above 93.50, I will have to break even, stop it at that point. Them's are the rules.
Gotta follow that.
Still holding up there in the gap. It's a very small gap after all here, so very, very small.
I just don't like that we're still stuck in this area.
He has held that VWAP there, so I think we still bounce, but we may not. So if this candle closes below, what I do is I'll move my stop up to the bottom of this candle now. And if we make a new swing low, then it just takes me out.
Yeah, Drew, it's riding something. ES has a or did you already mention that volume imbalance on the 5-minute on ES? Is that real?
No, I didn't see it. I'm sure it's real.
Well, sometimes Quant Tower like doesn't load properly. I have to refresh my charts all the time.
Well, that's what I was asking about earlier.
Hmm.
All
Oh,
right,
look
now
at
break
this.
even.
You're long, right?
Yes.
Yes. Nice.
Tag down on the first one. We're going to try to let the next one run here. Flexi has max withdrawal of 1,000. Yeah, I think something like that.
Yeah. Alita was looking into it, and doesn't seem as good as payouts as other people, but I mean, the cost of entry is so low. Like, just just
And
deal
plus
with
the
it.
fact that it's not reoccurring one-time fee.
Exactly. Yeah.
Confirmed on
It's
trash action
kind of worth
today.
it.
I think it's been okay, Andrew, for me. I mean, it's not been too difficult to read yet.
Yeah, I can't complain over here. Making more than my goal, right? So.
All right, stopped out there on the Flexi whatever account. Well, let's see what that was. I think we just made $100, maybe a little more. 130.
Nothing wrong with that.
All right. Yeah, 130 right there on the Flexi. So the fees we can see right here. Who was asking about the fees? Somebody. So if I made 130 and it's only showing a balance of 120, then that means it's $5 round trip per contract on the minis, which seems a little high, but I think it's pretty close to being in line to what the other ones are.
I think I always look at trade evates just because I know what I think it's
Trade
370
are
for them.
slightly slower right now. I think slightly lower.
Mm-hmm. I thought last time I checked it was like 370.
Yeah. So $5 seems a little expensive, but it's not unmanageable, I don't think.
310 is
nice.
trade evate.
310?
310.
Yeah, so I guess that is quite a difference. I mean, it's $1.90 per round trip. That is about 40% more.
Right.
Or actually more than that, right? Yeah.
You should be fine. I mean, on minis, you should be fine.
Yeah, I'm not so worried about it myself. I don't really think about commissions at all, to be honest.
Yeah, me either.
So you trade so many contracts. Yeah, that might make sense, Jamie, especially if you're on micros for sure. I don't know what it would be on micros, but how many trading days for a payout, Rich? I don't know. I don't think I saw any. Don't remember seeing a minimum day, a minimum amount. Like I said, I'd like to know more about Flexi Trade. That's why I'm trading them, just to see. I want to get to a payout and let you, and we're kind of report back to you guys and let you know whether or not, you know, they pay out or whatever.
Once you get that payout, we'll do a giveaway with the full payout amount. You heard it here first, folks.
Not the full.
The full amount.
No way.
We might even do double the full amount. What was it that one day there was somebody in my chat and I sent him your way because I said that you were doing a $2,000 giveaway?
I don't know. 1 day pass. Yeah, it is 1 day pass, but I don't know what it is. Full port payout. Yeah, let's get to full port. Let's full port it right now.
Alito's on it. He emailed Flexi.
Holy cow! You trade more than 200 contracts in a day.
What? Oh my god!
That's a lot, Jamie.
There's no way.
Oh, there's a way. Did my camera turn off again?
Yeah, it's been off for a while.
I'm getting annoyed with this camera. What the heck is it doing?
Where did that Delta's asking where that crypto guy went? Did he stay on your stream yesterday? That R3 dude?
Yeah, he stayed in there for a little while and then he He said I was rude or something, but he was like, "Was that really you on this?" And I was like, "Yeah, that was me." But
He said you're
I
rude,
think
and
he told you I was rude.
he's in my chat telling me this is boring. Go trade something else, and I'm like, what the hell? Who the hell are you?
Where did that crypto? Oh yeah, yeah, I don't know. You're on 320 on this eval today. Nice. Oh really? 320? White mild? Where you scalp? You got to be scalping like a low time frame.
Quantum computing's just too advanced for us.
I don't know what quantum computing is.
Nobody does.
I am an idiot. I am an idiot. Oh, you're okay. 8 accounts. All right, that makes sense. Smurf says go trade some shit coins. There's nothing wrong with not knowing what you're doing. We don't know either what we're doing, so we are starting to idiot box, guys.
I was about to say I'm not. Well, I think I'm done completely. I'm not taking any more trade. I took my account down a little bit with micros, so I'm not risking anymore.
Where are we at?
I'm up
Give us an update.
I'm up 296 today, and again, as of Monday, my goal was only $100 a day, which is nothing with minis, but that's all I want and need. And so every day this week, I've made more than 100, I think. So we only need 450 left to pass this, so we should be able to do that next week, no problem. And I've only had this account 2 weeks, so I just want to pass it within a month. But I'm trying to
Awesome.
just be accepting of whatever I get each day, because that's where I struggle.
What do we know about Flexi Trade? Not much. Like I said, I just started using them, James. I did sign up for an affiliate link, but I don't have it yet. But if you are going to buy an account, Husk Trader does have a link with them. He already has it in the description of his videos. You can go over there and use his link. Try it at your own risk because we don't know. I mean, are they legitimate? Probably, but like how long they're going to be around, I don't know. It's just one of those things. You just have to kind of draw your own conclusion from it. But if you want to support someone, Husk Trader does have a link in his description for Flexi Trade already. So, market's finished for today, Lex. You might be right, but we did just break out. I like that we didn't stay in the idiot box too long.
I felt like
We
forever.
didn't spend. We didn't spend a ton of time there in comparison to the last few days.
Right. Yeah, it was only 20 minutes.
Yeah, so
Felt
last
like
few days we spent the entire morning there. So
right.
I don't mind it. I don't mind it. And if you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We are going to be doing another giveaway probably in the next 20, 30 minutes.
$200.
$20 from me, $180 from Rat Lord Trades, sounds like.
All right. Well, I will be jumping off of here and
How do you enter once broken out? You don't. Look for a short here if you see something. I don't blame you.
Delta knows when to enter. You enter at you long at the highs.
You short the lows.
Were you watching me the other day when we were in basically an idiot box and Delta showed up and he's like, you could have shorted any of those highs. And I'm like, all right, I'll do it this next time. And we get to the highs, I short it and we break right through it. And I'm like, God damn it.
That's what happens. That's what happens. That's why I don't play the idiot box. But that's exactly what happens. Because as soon as you do that, it's going to play against you.
Yeah, it never fails.
Why did I let the idiot box get me? So we do actually have an interesting look here on the 3-minute chart.
I haven't looked at the 3-minute.
We're testing this gap here.
The short, yeah, or Sibby. The Sibby. No, we don't have one on the. Right, we don't have one on ES. Oh yeah, we do. Sorry, I need to switch it to 3-minute. Oh, I don't know. Look at the 3 minute. We have a high, a low, a higher high, and then we have. I mean, we didn't really break down that swing too much. Actually, on Nasdaq we did. That's a tough call here. What don't you like about shorts?
I just don't blindly like to short gaps. That's all.
What about
Or long.
the high, low, higher, high setup?
That's kind of like a breaker.
Yeah.
I use that sometimes, but not often.
Whenever I whenever I don't take them, they work out. Whenever I take them, they don't work.
Yeah, it's kind of what you have to do there. Like this is like a 55% play, in my
Mhm.
opinion. This works about 55% of the time if you just shorted this here.
Right.
Which, if you take every one, is still profitable, right?
Right. It's usually a pretty good risk to reward.
Crosshair,
I mean,
price.
that candle respected that. We just wicked up into it.
There we go. I got the time back on there now. Yeah, but for me, so what I would be looking for here, because I believe in this leg, we're probably back to OTE if we just measured this leg. So I would take a short if we came out of this leg and we had like a 1 minute inversion to the downside. If we closed above, then because we hit OTE there exactly.
Mm.
So I'd have to wait for a 1 minute inversion to take the short. That gives me extra confirmation that we should go down. And if we closed above, that kind of tells me I'm probably going back to that high. So now what makes more sense? Do you think this high makes more sense to go to first or this low? To me, this low makes more sense because we swept the low first, then we swept the high. So this is your most logical area for us to go to.
Right.
But who knows? 60% of the time, it works every time. Oh, goodness. I love it. So for me, we swept a little liquidity to the upside there. We're delivering from that 3 minute gap. So if we close below this 1 minute, then for me, that would be a short. That's how I wait for confirmation. I just don't blindly short the gap itself.
Mm.
Does that mean it's going to work? No, of course not. Doesn't mean that.
Oh damn.
So I just took the short there. Kind of a little dump right there on that push there. My entry wasn't great.
Glovin shorted too. He's about to get his money.
Money, money, money. But I just shorted too, so that means he might not get his money. So if it hits my TP on the first one here, then I'm going to break even, stop it there, and you know, see how far we can go. I don't like the way it's reacting to that gap down there, but we're going to give it a second.
I just let it play out.
There's a pivot at
Yo,
85 as well, so.
guess who just showed up in my chat?
Ooh, your boy.
What's up?
You
What's up,
better get your money.
R3A? Go
I want you to get your money too. All right, well, we might just eat this one. We need this to hold here. And back below this wick here, we'll break even, stop it. Obviously, if we get below that wick, it should hit our TP.
you didn't leave.
I almost took it off.
We're streaming with Methodical, man. That's who you hear. So you should pop over in Methodical's chat. We got more people over there, but you'll see me on his stream.
Might get wrecked here. If it closes back above, we take it off. That dims is the rules. So we will give it a moment here when we move our stop down.
Tesla.
And if it takes it, it takes it. There you go. So that's one of those ones where, is it okay? Yeah, it's probably fine. Could have probably just taken, I think my entry was a little bit, I got entered kind of down here. Close of the candle, maybe a point or two higher. So I don't know. It's a tough one. I don't hate it, but it is what it is.
R3. What do you mean Tesla?
Oh,
You
you're
said
not in
Tesla will
anymore?
crash. It didn't.
Sugar Bear. Sugar Bear.
Wait, is that the person who's supposed to change their name?
Sugar Bear. Yeah, Sugar Bear. We gotta have a conversation here, Sugar Bear.
Uh-oh. That's all right,
Your name
McLovin.
should say Captain Cock right now, but I'm not seeing that. So what's the deal? You don't want to be labeled the guy that goes back on his word. I know you saw that hit yesterday. Sugar Bear. Oh goodness. And actually, I didn't even notice this here, guys. The 3-minute never closed below. I wasn't even paying attention to that. You see, we had the small 3-minute gap here. We never closed below that or the 2-minute. Yeah, it's got to get fixed, right? Oh, you don't have to check on the chart, Sugar Bear. I'm going to let you know. It closed. It blasted through the 470s yesterday. It blasted through there.
Have you ever looked at the event log in Quantower? Or maybe someone in your chat.
No.
I keep mine open just to see if Rhythmic is having issues, and like I get Rhythmic tick history loading errors all the time.
How do you open that?
It's one of the module things. It's just called event log.
Event log.
I keep it
This
open because like it will tell you like when Rhythmic is having issues and stuff.
Mine
Click
looks all green.
See where it says 2 of 3 event types? Click that. Up top left.
Exception?
Yeah, and turn on exception. The Rhythmic bar history. Rhythmic kind of sucks. I hate to say it.
Mine's all green.
Why do I have so many
Rhythmic
problems?
bar history. They know it's the Rat Lord.
It's not fair.
They know it's the Rat Lord.
Alito, you don't have issues like
entry?
that?
I don't have an entry. What?
I was asking Alito if he
Yeah, I should have probably the 2 minutes actually the cleanest time frame here. I should have been watching the 2-minute. Made a mental error there on that short.
What is Edge Pro X?
Sounds like something sexual. sounds like something Tom Sabo would do.
Only Trades said it. In your Well, you guys talk about weird stuff over there, so I don't know.
Edge Pro X where? I want to try Edge Pro X Rat Lord. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a platform.
Scared to search it.
Yeah, just look it up. It'll be fine. 53.20. We still need it. Black Beauty says we're at 53.11.
Oh,
Let's go, Sasha. Let's go. Nice job.
These bodies are respecting that 5-minute Dibby on Nasdaq.
What do we got?
The 5-minute.
$5.
Yeah, $5 at 10:05, and these last two candles are the bodies are respecting that. Do you keep your 5-minute open, or you mostly just keep your 1 and 3?
No, I have like probably 8-9 charts open at all times.
Oh, damn. Oh yeah,
So,
you've got some secret sauce going on your other monitors.
there's no secret. It's just charts. 11 going to re-enter the 5-minute gap short if it holds. I was thinking of a long duck dong.
Go for it. Don't think,
I mean,
just go.
We have both directions here. I mean, we're awfully deep in that 5-minute gap, though. It's the only thing I don't like.
Yeah, Tyler, I'm done trading. We're green. We're keeping it there. Got a holiday tomorrow. No need to go crazy.
Oh, there's a need to go crazy.
Hey, Alito and R3A, why don't we take this over to Methodical Man's chat? You guys can argue over there.
Yeah, I'm okay with them arguing over there with you. It's fine.
No, it's really okay. I would like them to involve you.
It's a collab live stream, yeah. So they're in both spots. Still holding from 484. Nice. Could still push, Janelle.
Man, that's a tough hold. We've been doing nothing. 36 minutes.
Janelle must have got long somewhere over here on this pump up. She was in nice green and then pulled back, I would guess. Or no, I guess she could have got long on this pullback. Yeah, it's not bad. Not really going anywhere. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Also to Rat Lords. Get over there and hit the like button for him and subscribe as well. Long 4 contracts, Valters at 499. Let's go. Black Beauty loves the collab. Thank you, thank you. If we don't push in the next 6 minutes, you think we sell off? Yeah, that could be a good assessment. But
here's
the thing I didn't like about the long is that no, we don't have to rerun this high again. So that's kind of the thing I didn't like. So
Drew, we are doing a collaboration stream with Methodical Man.
what's up, Drew the Destroyer?
Tyler,
Long.
good job taking your scalps. Not trying to hold too long in this price action.
I could long right here, actually.
You can long wherever you want.
Really hate it. Yeah, we put in a little OB here.
There he is.
Not going to. But...
There he is.
R3A, hello. Long YM now for a bit.
This guy. Oh.
No. Will Tesla go down more? Well, it depends. Is it the first date or the second date, R3? I'm not sure. Throw a little joke in there, see if you catch it. Got to take her somewhere nice. Oh.
Man, what is this?
I have no idea, though, R3. I have no idea. I got no clue. After the earning calls, it could. Maybe. I really have no idea. Oh. You got to set a tone. McDonald's for the first date, says Smurf. I don't know, Smurf. I don't know if you can pull off being like 5'6" and also taking them to McDonald's on the first date. I don't know if being a goaltender is gonna give you those two things to overcome. Oh, maybe, maybe you can pull it off. I don't know. Guess depends on what you're driving, right? Oh, the deck is stacked against you. You'll be all right. Just keep the beard, right? Just keep the beard manicured nicely. You'll be all right. Right, Lord. What we got going on over there anyway?
Nothing.
Starting to see a little teenage stubble.
Oh, this is
A little teenage stubble.
this is like 3 months worth of growth here.
3 months. Holy
Maybe,
cow.
I'm just kidding. Maybe when I grow up, I'll be able to grow a beard, but it's not looking good.
They love being passenger on the driver's side. Oh, nice. Does Rat Lord like cheese? I don't know.
Who
On the
doesn't
train's
like
getting
cheese?
paid. You don't like cheese?
No, I said who doesn't like cheese?
Oh, good point.
Well,
Good
I
point.
I gotta end this. It's almost 11. I've got slacking to do.
Sounds cool. Sounds cool. We appreciate you joining us once again. If you guys have not subscribed to Rad Lord, please do me a favor. Get over there and hit the subscribe button, like button. We appreciate you joining Rat Lord, and we'll do it again sometime.
Hell yeah, I appreciate it. That was fun, and we ended green, so can't complain about that.
Yeah, green's always good.
Right.
Much preferred.
All right. Well, you have a good
All right,
rest of your
man.
stream. I'll try checking in on you later.
All right, we'll see you.
All right. See you, man.